Today I'm going to show you how to make enfrijoladas. And if you think you love enchiladas, wait until you try these. Same idea, but instead of red sauce, we're smothering them in a rich, creamy bean sauce made completely from scratch. Okay guys, so for this recipe we only need a few basic ingredients. We need beans, 4 tortillas, cheese, a little piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, and chile chipotles and adobo sauce. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, we're going to begin by cleaning 1.5 cups of beans, and you just want to remove any broken beans or little rocks that you might find. Okay, now that we have them all nice and clean, we're just going to transfer them to a strainer. And now we're going to give them a good rinse. Okay, now transfer them to a larger bowl. Cover them with water. And we're just going to allow them to soak overnight or for at least 4 hours. This is going to allow our beans to cook a lot faster. Okay, so once our beans have doubled in size, now we're just going to drain them and get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, now transfer your drained beans to the pot. And here we're also going to add a piece of onion, garlic, and I'm also adding a jalapeno and just slice it in half. Now add 8 cups of water, set it on high heat, and allow it to come to a boil. Okay, once our beans come to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow them to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes or until our beans are nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 45 minutes, our beans should be done. Of course, make sure that you check them. They're nice and tender. So now we can get ready to transfer everything to your blender cup. So now we can get ready to make our sauce. Okay, to our beans, we're also going to add 2 chile chipotles and adobo sauce, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano and pepper. Okay, now we're just going to blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our sauce. So now we're just going to return it back to the stove. Okay, now here I have my pan set over medium heat. Going to melt 1 tablespoon of lard. And of course, if you don't want to use lard, you can always use oil. But once that has melted, we're going to pour our sauce. Okay, so we're just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once our bean sauce has come to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. But now just reduce the heat to the lowest setting and allow it to continue simmering for about 5 minutes. And just like that, we have our bean sauce. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can prepare our tortillas. Okay, now in our pan over medium heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Okay, once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add a tortilla and just allow it to blister. This will take about 5 seconds. And once it's done, remove it. Just repeat the same process to the rest of the tortillas. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tortillas, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's putting our enfrijoladas together. Okay, now here I already crumbled my queso fresco, and I'm also going to be adding some diced onion. And begin by adding some of the sauce to the bottom of our plate. Now get a tortilla and stuff it with some queso fresco and chopped onions. Then roll it and place it over the bed of bean sauce. Then once you have them rolled, top them with some more bean sauce, drizzle crema mexicana, sprinkle some queso fresco, red onion, cilantro to add some color, and avocado slices. So now we can get ready to cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now, cheers and enjoy. This is so simple yet so flavorful. The beans are smooth. They have so much flavor. And of course, you can always add some chicken or whatever you want to add to it. But this right here, so simple yet so delicious.